Welcome back, guys. So on the previous video, we talked about how to do Java installation. On this one, we will talk about how we're going to set up the Java environment. And in order to do that, first thing we have to do is go into the File Explorer and locate where our Java JDK is located. And to do that, we have to go to our C drive, Program Files, and Java. Again, if you had changed the directory whenever you're clicking next, and then you change the directory, in that case, go to that specific location. And once you have located your Java file on the JDK, click over here, and you're not done over here, basically. So you still need to go to the bin. So make sure you're in the bin folder, and then just click somewhere. So the whole thing is highlighted, and you can copy it, right? You can copy this. And once you have that copied, then you have to go to the environmental variable. And how you go over there, you can click here on this PC, right click, and then go to properties. You'll have this thing open up, then click on advanced system settings. Once you click there, you're going to have this thing show up. And once you're in the advanced right here, go to the environmental variable. Once you're here, click on this path. Okay, I'm just doing it on the system variable. This will be applied to the overall entire system, unless you want to do it specifically for a certain user. You can do it over here, but I'm just going to do it for the entire system. Just click on the path and click on edit. Do not change any of the thing that's here. What you can do is we're just going to add that the path that we just copied from the bin. We're just going to add that here. What we can do, we can either click new, which will do this, or we can just double click it as well. Double clicking or clicking on new is the same thing. Just do Command Control V. Control C is for copying, Control V is for pasting, and everything is here. Don't put any additional space before or after or anything like that. And once you're done, just click outside and hit OK here, then hit OK there, and then hit OK over here, and you are good to go. So the one thing you do have to do is sometimes it does take into effect right away, sometimes it doesn't. So one of the best thing to do is just restart your whole system. So let's go ahead and restart the system, and then we'll come back in a second. Okay, so once you're back, what you have to do is just open up your command prompt. Again, you can go to here, just type in CMD. And that'll just open. And once that opens, type in Java -version. So that's basically the minus sign. So Java space, then you have that minus sign, which is hyphen, then version, and press enter. Once you press that, you have this. You have all of this thing. Basically the version that we downloaded right here. I think the last update that had taken place was on the 18th of August, long-term support, and it'll just give you all of these things. So right now we are ready to go ahead and use Java. For the next one, we're going to install an IDE. We're going to install an IDE, and so we're going to figure out how we can actually use our IDE going forward as well. Yeah, thank you so much, guys.